Kashgar in southern Xinjiang. Her mother, father, and two brothers have been detained in re-education camps or prisons with very little to no information to their whereabouts or well-being. She has been advocating for their release since then. Recently, she's come to know some further information about her family members, that they've been sentenced to prison terms. I'm sure she'll share some more details on that. Since February 2020, Nuriman works as a journalist at Radio Free Asia's Uyghur service, where she's made it her life's mission to shed light and raise awareness about the Uyghur genocide. And we're very privileged to have you here. Thank you. We look forward to hear from you.
So first of all, I really would like to thank you, Dr. Attendance. From the first day I called you as an interviewee about the Uyghur genocide, and you are so nice and you are so knowledgeable about Uyghur people, and you helped me to find out all the information about my family on the Xinjiang police files. That's the information as far as I know about my family. And also I would like to thank Christina and Michael and you guys being my voice and you guys echoing my family's tragedy. And I hope this film gave the world the right message. They are suffering, and this is my youngest brother, Nuriman Abdureshid, and he is at the time 28 years old. Now it's 5 years past already. His the brightest years is spending in prison. He's so generous and he's so handsome. Always I called him Prince. But now I don't know what is his look like right now, and he's sentenced 16 years in jail. And the Chinese embassy in Turkey, they called to my sister and they gave the all information. Really called me. They said to my sister, "Your mom sentenced to 13 years jail, and my mom is a housewife, and she don't know anything about the Chinese government's policy. She don't know about the world's this kind of cruel system. She just know her family and the 4 children, and she just care about my appearance, look good, and study well, and you can do something better. And for my brothers, and he's a be gentle, be nice, just do good things. She always talked about like this kind of things, and now she ended up jail for no reason. She just raised 4 kids, and she just want to simple life with their kids, grandchildren. Now, also since 2017, June 18, that day I never forgot. Every morning I wanted to hear my mom's voice. Like they so make me so comfortable, make me confident. Like, oh, girl, I'm going to work right now, and she said, oh, good, go girl. Like she's so she's like my sister, and we always talk about the dress and also talk about boys sometimes. But now I don't know. Here's my this is really hard because I saw the faces here, and you guys still think about what I'm doing tonight and what I'm gonna eat tonight. But for me and like my friends here and all around the world, the Uyghur people in diaspora, we have different thoughts for every day, and where's my mom? Where's my dad? And what you're doing? Is you're alive? So that's really hard to live, this kind of pain. And 2017, the June, and that "Don't Call Us Again," that voice is just echoing in my head, and I thought, okay, I'm dying because I can't eat and I can't sleep, and literally I can't stand up. And 3 days passed, 5 days passed, I didn't die. And I said, okay, have to get up and do something. And I ended up here and just still searching. From 2017 till 2020, it's already 5.5 years now passed. And still, I don't have any information from my mom, from my dad, and I don't know where they are. And I sometimes just imagine their voice. Almost I forgot their voice, how the sound of their voice. This is it's just killing me inside. Now I'm just living, breathing, but I'm not living. I also wanted to live with my mom, just simple phone call. And I wanted to receive a phone call, a magic phone call, and said, oh, I'm alive and I'm happy. And the one is my dad, Abdureshid, and my dad's friends always saw my face that, oh, you look like your father. Yeah, even not less look like, and his character is also not his character. My character is like his character, and he's so hard and can't stand with injustice. Always in one situation, he just jumped in to say this is right, this is wrong. So be nice to each other. He is the most kind and love. He loves the world, be nice to everybody. So he wanted to try to fix everything in our villagers. So he is so lovable in our village, in our community. But he sentenced, according to Chinese embassy in Turkey, he also sentenced to 16 years, 11 months. That means 17 years jail. It's already 5 years past. At that time, he's just 54 years old. Now I don't know. I wish the time just stopped and he's just like this and just 54 years old. And this November 24 and Urumqi happened really big fire, and that's the tragedy. That fire is when I hear that news and saw the videos, I completely broken in my heart, my mind, and I said, oh my God, that mother, that children, could be my mom, could be my brother. This whole building, and we are all in the same building. The thing is, a matter of time. The fire started already. The Chinese government, China, started the fire by building a concentration camp and a boarding school and all kind of torture. They already started the fire. The thing is, the matter of time. One day, if we can stand up to say no, this is not right, this is not okay at all, and that fire also burned us in China, in here, also in the United States. So each one of us, please just think about Nuriman's mother could be my mom, Nuriman's father could be my dad, and It's only 5 years, not 5 days or 5 hours. It's day by day, and I lose my hope, and I just wish to see them alive. I want to see them. I have a lot of things to talk to them, and my dad, I know, he pissed off me sometimes, but he's proud of me always. My mom also, and my brothers said, I have my sister, so I can't do anything. Now, as a sister, I can't do anything, and I wish they know I'm trying. I'm trying, so please, everybody just please help me, and talk to your friends and family and anybody who have heart, and just tell them that little people there have their facing genocide. We have to do something. This is not okay. Just one word. I wish you guys healthy, happy with your family, and please don't forget the little people here suffering, really suffering. This is not simple one. It's the children is taken away from their parents, and they don't know where their children. And I have nephew and niece. I don't know where they are. I just wish one wish. Please stay alive, and I'll do whatever I can, and make you happy. If they are alive, I can do more. I can do so many things with them. This time, if this year maybe if I can see them, the hope is listen day by day. So time is precious, and today is December 5, and December 6, 7, it's 6 years, 7 years, and I don't know what's happening tomorrow. So I don't know what you can do for me, but please try to do something. If anybody here can do something, just spread awareness and share more news about little people. And this is not a story. This is I'm living. This is life. This is live, not live streaming. This is the real people, real person. I'm real, and this tragedy is real, but it's not okay. So as a human being, we are all in the same building, and the Chinese government is starting a fire already. So we have to do something to stop it. So thank you so much.